Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about the current situation of Bitcoin and the crypto markets, and I'm going to show you what could be happening this week. Of course, as I said before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates about Bitcoin and crypto. So straight away, we're going to get into the chart of Bitcoin on the monthly chart to show you what I think could be happening right now, and rest assured that I am not worried at all about this dump over here. We dumped from 71,000 to now 66,200. But again, I'm not very concerned, and I'm going to show you why. So first of all, I'm going to open my monthly chart and show you what's happening right now. I mean, we closed March above this level here, $74,700. Then we had a little bit of a pullback. Sorry, it was 74,300, but I couldn't make a mistake here. And right now we're actually bouncing back down to this area over here. Guys, this pullback was needed because we just pumped for 7 weeks in a row, never having a red candle. So, you know, look at this. Everything is oversold. RSI is oversold. We need to have a little bit of a breather before smashing this properly, this all-time high. Now, there is something that we have to take into consideration is the fact that we are going to have the halving event coming in 18 days. So, in general, the anticipation of the halving should be a very important event, and that could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So, my expectation is still that we are going to pump in the preparation of the halving. So, we're going to see our friends, whales, and market makers what they want to do, but I'm expecting the again a target of in between $80,000 to $90,000 by the halving, or maybe like like a week later, and the target is actually highlighted over here. So what we could be seeing right now could be a dump, even more. I'm going to show you more intraday after, and then a resumption to the upside. And again, after that, then we're going to see a proper we can say crash down to $48,000 ish. So I'm gonna go now on the weekly chart to show you a little bit better. I'm just gonna cancel all of this, so we're gonna have a beautiful clean chart. Now the weekly chart doesn't look great in my opinion, simply because of one thing. Because we are printing right now a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly, right? So whenever you see this red candle covering the blue candle, that usually signifies a reversal in trend, and you can see even from, let's say, you can see from here, you can see from here, here, here. And it's quite surprising because every time this happens, this engulfing candle happened, most of the time signified a reversal in trend, but there is one specific case over here. The specific case was over here in this area where Bitcoin went down, and then it pumped up from 56,000 to 65,000. So if you put this into consideration, I'm gonna go open a long position. So if you're gonna see this again, right? Let's say it's gonna go here. I'm gonna put this one down a little bit, so we can see that Bitcoin actually pumped after that another 11%. So if the same scenario is about to repeat for Bitcoin, you're going to see 11 or 12% pump from the 74,000. Of course, you could expect that what we're going to see would be a $80,000 top, mid-term top. And then, of course, what I'm expecting would be a drop to the downside, maybe to 56,000, 48,000, are all around this area. So I'm going to highlight here levels of support. So the first one is going to be around here. Then we're going to have another one down to here, and another one down there, in case we're going to have a very big problem, like a 32,000. But again, I'm expecting this kind of scenario. I'm expecting a potential last pump to here, and then this final capitulation event down to around here, or maybe even down to here, mid 40s. That would be very good. It would be consolidation throughout the summer, and then end of the year, the final parabolic pump. So going up this way. Cool. So let's have a look also intraday what's happening right now, just to have you can have a look at support levels, resistance levels. I mean, yeah, the weekly look doesn't look great, but the daily guys, I mean, still look very bullish, I must say. I mean, look at this. So we have this crazy crazy continuation pattern. We went here, we touched this level to the upside, we had a bit of a resistance, and right now what could be happening from this point of view, we could see maybe a dump down to 64,000, 63,000, then maybe form this kind of shape, and then try again, one more, and then finally break to the upside. So if this is a true triangle, then again, what you can do, you can just calculate from here to here to see how high this could go to, and it brings you to $86,000, depending where you put it, about $85,000 to $86,000 by the 22nd of April. So that could be an option that we have. That's this could happen, but also I like to give you a bearish scenario as well. So we're gonna also, of course, cancel over here. This also could be a double bottom, the double top scenario. And if this double top scenario is going to play out, of course, what you're going to be seeing will be a dump around this area, and then if this one plays out, then of course we could go as low as here, as $54,000 to $55,000. Again, that could be another potential level of support, but of course, if this happens, then the halving pump is probably going to be reduced. So what I can do, I can just calculate from here. I can say sort of an ABCD pattern, and then I can just put it here. Well, maybe $87,000, but I don't think we're going to go that high in case we break all that levels. Okay, so I'll be very, very careful with that. And at the moment, yeah, probably 78,000 could be a more realistic target. Again, I'm probably going to get out at 78.80 for my own sake, and then a mini altcoin season should start. Now, this is it for Bitcoin at the moment from a macro daily point of view. Next one I want to show you is Gala Games. Gala Games, one of my members showed me this recently, and it was completely right. And look what happened. Symmetrical triangle. We said if we break here or here, then the price should continue to go in that direction, and that's what happened. Gala Games lost roughly almost like 10% as for now, and it looks like it could be going down to this level of support around here. So that could be a very good level of support to open a potential long position, and that could be, of course, happening very, very soon. So for this, we're going to also have a look more on the 4-hour chart. I mean, we're getting oversold, so that could be a good idea for probably to open a longer at the moment, because it's getting oversold territory on the RSI. Looks, to be honest, good for a bounce to the upside, but I guess we just shall see, and then we're gonna decide what to do from here. Next one I want to see as well is gonna be Solana. Solana, one of the favorite coins as well, extremely oversold at the moment. Daily chart is still very strong. You can see there's a big also potential double top forming as well for Solana. We can see we're still hanging on here. It could be a retracing down to 170. That could be a good target, and in that case, if you're going to see a big bounce to the upside, then we could see, of course, Solana doing this kind of movement. But if we break this level again, we need to understand our levels of support, and the first one I can see straight away from here would be here, and the next one could be also down here at $130. Okay, I don't think we're going to go that low, but again, it's something that we have to take into consideration, because we are, of course, overstretched. But in that case, you're going to have a oversold RSI on the daily, and that could be actually very Very, very good. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful for today. I hope it give you like a better insight what's happening with crypto. Again, not very macro wise, and we're still very bullish. I think, in my opinion, it's going to be just like a shakeout to scare everybody to get out from crypto. And I believe that in the next few weeks we're going to resume our trend higher. And that's it. So I really hope you're going to have a great day. Take care, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for the next video.